Ever wondered how much of an impact a diet change could have on high cholesterol levels? Well, the answer to that may be found in the TLC Diet or Therapeutic Lifestyle Changes diet, a program crafted by the National Institute of Health's National Cholesterol Education Program. Designed with the primary goal of reducing cholesterol, this heart-healthy eating regimen is a potent tool in the fight against this silent health menace. The TLC diet isn't just a diet, it's a complete lifestyle overhaul. It's a comprehensive approach that focuses not just on what you eat, but how you live your life. And while its primary objective is to lower cholesterol levels, it also offers a range of other health benefits from weight loss to improved heart health. But what is the TLC diet exactly? Picture a diet that prioritizes heart-healthy foods like fruits, vegetables, lean meats, and whole grains, while limiting those high in saturated fats, like fatty meats and full-fat dairy products. The TLC diet encourages the consumption of nutrient-rich foods that can lower cholesterol levels, while ensuring you receive all the essential nutrients your body needs. One of the major benefits of the TLC diet is its flexibility. It doesn't have a strict meal plan, but rather provides guidelines on what types of food to eat and how much. This opens up a world of delicious and healthy meal options, allowing you to experiment with different dishes and flavors. However, the TLC diet isn't just about food. It also emphasizes the importance of physical activity as part of a healthy lifestyle. Regular exercise can not only help lower cholesterol, but also contribute to weight loss and overall well-being. Eating out and attending social events doesn't have to be a challenge on the TLC diet. With smart choices and a little planning, you can stick to your diet without feeling deprived or isolated. It's all about making conscious decisions and understanding the impact of those decisions on your cholesterol levels. So, to sum up, the TLC diet is a comprehensive approach to lower cholesterol levels. It encourages a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean meats, and whole grains, while limiting foods high in saturated fats. Along with a focus on regular physical activity, the TLC diet offers a flexible, heart-healthy eating regimen that can help you manage your cholesterol levels and reap a host of other health benefits. It's time to make a change. Begin your journey towards a healthier lifestyle with the TLC diet today. It's more than just a diet, it's a lifestyle transformation. And remember, every small change can make a big difference. So, are you ready to take the first step? Because the path to a healthier you starts here.